Hey, are you wondering about the sun or the clouds today? There's just one man who has the say. Who else but the weatherman?
And here's the latest weather report.
Good Monday, everyone. Rick Mitchell with you. This is Hardcore Weather for Monday, August 17th, 2009. Got a lot to talk about, so let's go ahead and get right down to it. We'll start with the 500 millibar flow. Look at the huge trough that's over the northern and central plains. That's helping to drive a cold front into southern Kansas and far northern Oklahoma. That front's going to be the focal point for thunderstorms over the next few days, just like it was yesterday. The slight risk today covers mostly northern Oklahoma on into southern Kansas, right along that front, and things aren't going to change a whole lot as we head on into tomorrow as well. Main threats over the next few days will be large hail and very strong winds. The day 3 outlook is farther to the northeast, at least for right now, but we'll have a front getting close to the area again, so we could even see some rougher weather later in the week. There's your QPF for days 1 through 3. It's got the heaviest storms up across Kansas. I believe that, but I could see some of the heavier rain even making it into central Oklahoma. Let me show you why. Here's the NAM model from 12Z. Valid 7 o'clock this evening, and it basically shows thunderstorms from I-40 on to the north, with the heaviest being in northern Oklahoma. By 7 o'clock Tuesday morning, a couple areas of storms, one over east central Oklahoma, another one in southern Kansas. By Tuesday afternoon, scattered showers make it as far south as southern Oklahoma. We're going to watch a new band of storms develop by Wednesday morning over Kansas and northern Oklahoma. So you see how this is a pretty busy pattern with showers and storms. By Wednesday afternoon, much of Oklahoma looks like it'll be on the dry side. I think our initial front's going to kind of wimp out. By Thursday morning, another front drops in here, and that's bringing storms basically far north central Oklahoma. And then by late in the day on Thursday, some of that rain could make it in here. So we will have chances for storms today, tomorrow, probably all the way through Thursday. Let's look at the GFS as we go out through time at 500 millibars. There is, that's Thursday evening, big trough covering the upper Midwest, the Great Lakes, and that's what's going to bring in the couple of fronts. By Friday evening, the trough begins to shift east. Watch that ridge to our west, that 594 ridge. It's going to build on in here. There is Saturday evening, and the trough builds on out, so the ridge comes back in, and that's a pretty strong looking ridge. You know what that means, hot weather. There's Sunday, and it does appear that hot weather is not going to go too far away, and it's going to be back with us by the weekend, and there is 1 week from today. Quick look at the tropics. Claudette and Anna are just tropical depressions right now. Bill is a hurricane. Bill's going to be the worst one out of the 3. Let's look at the track for Anna. And by Friday, it stays a depression the whole time. By Friday, it's off the west coast of Florida. And then Bill becomes a major hurricane, but stays well to the east of the United States. So looks like by Saturday, could be making a run at Bermuda. So there you have this Monday hardcore weather. Make sure you tune in tonight. Eyewitness News 5 at 5, 6, and 10. I'll have some new information. Does look like it'll be rather stormy. So be prepared for that. Heavy rain, hail, wind, all that kind of stuff, especially for those of you across northern and central Oklahoma. That's it for now. Talk to you later.